To date, I have made over 50 of these I tried it videos, and there's two comments that I always get. First, they say, Alston, thank you for saving me from wasting my time. And then the second comment is always, which of these actually work? And so in this video, I'm going to put together a list of the top 5 of my favorite I tried it videos that actually work. So if you've asked that question, make sure you stick around so you can watch this video. I'm going to give you a quick overview of what the process is. I'm going to actually link you to the right video and we can get up and running and helping you make some money. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, what we're going to do today is I'm going to list the top 5 of the I tried it video series that actually work. I'm going to talk a little bit about why they work, how they work, and how you can get started. All right, so let's go ahead, without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the first one. Now these are in no particular order. I tried it, copy these Google ads and make $2,500 plus weekly affiliate marketing 2022. Now with this process, and this process has been around a long time, basically what you're going to do is you're going to go find small and growing software companies that offer reoccurring affiliate programs. You're going to run ads to their name using Google Ads. Now, basically the process, and again, I'll link all of these in the description. The process is really simple. You go to a website that has all of these different small and growing software companies. You find one that has a recurring affiliate program, you apply to join that affiliate program. And then once you join, you simply will go out and run Google Ads to their name. In this example that I used Descript. Now, what's very important with this process is you have to make sure that the software company allows you to run ads to their name. For example, ClickFunnels doesn't allow you to run ads to their name. It's a violation of their affiliate terms of service. But this process has been around a long time and it works. The only drawback is you're going to need some money up front. Google Ads at one point had a little deal going that they would pay you $500 or 500 credits if you spent $500. So the only drawback to this method is you will need some money up front. If you, let's say you get started with $100, you can start seeing returns on your investment. And the other drawback with affiliate marketing is most programs won't pay you for at least a month or two. And so you're going to spend this money up front and you may not get it back for at least a month. But this method, I tried it, copy these Google ads and make $2,500 weekly with affiliate marketing. Absolutely does work. Just make sure that you are following the terms of service with your affiliate partner. So that was number 1. Number 2 is I tried it. This 3-step method earns me $900 every single day, $2,700 per month, make money online. Now with this method, he's simply going over to a website like Udemy, and he's running solo ads to a lower end offer. Udemy is a solo ad website. And basically what solo ads is, you are going to borrow email lists from people that have these large, huge mega lists. And the way that it works is you are going to go over to the website. You're going to ask for a certain number of clicks, let's say 1,000 clicks. You are going to pay for those 1,000 clicks, and then you are going to get access to 1,000 or so email accounts. Now that's an oversimplification, but this method does work. I've tried it in the past running, selling lower end offers, $7, $9, $11, and it does work. The drawback is the people that are usually on these websites and on these email lists are usually just freebie seekers, and they're just looking to get more free stuff. A lot of them, fortunately or unfortunately, aren't going to buy from you. So this is a great way to build your email list, and then maybe eventually, sort of down the line, you might be able to convert them into a buyer. I have not had success with these guys spending more than like $19 on a product, but this process absolutely does work. You will need money up front, and you will need to nurture these guys over a long period of time. Again, most of these guys aren't going to throw money at you. In general, we'll say if you are spending money on paid ads, it's going to take a little bit more time in order to get them to convert from just a viewer to a buyer. One of the benefits of organic marketing is that you build a relationship with someone for free and they're usually more willing to spend money because they know, like, and trust you. Just like you see me here on camera, building a relationship with you, that is usually the benefit of organic marketing. Organic marketing does take a little bit longer, but that's kind of the trade-off. But this method, I tried it. This 3-step method earns me $900 every single day. This method works. It's just going to take a little bit longer for you to see some conversions. The next one we have on our list is I tried it, revealed how to make $16,360 with ChatGPT. Now, this method I actually found on accident while I was searching on Etsy for something else. And basically with this method, you are going to create ChatGPT prompts and you are going to sell them. Now, you might be thinking the entire world already knows about every ChatGPT prompt out there, but the truth is really only marketers know about ChatGPT and the prompts and the power and how to create their own prompts. Most people aren't aware. And so I stumbled across this, and then I went and created my own ChatGPT prompts for affiliate marketing. I think I also did like Amazon FBA, and I show you in this process how to do it. I showed you what to type into ChatGPT to get the prompts. I show you how to download these prompts and where to place them, how to create a listing. I show you everything so that if you wanted to do that, you can. In fact, I think there's a video after that where someone commented that this does actually work. They tried it and they're doing it themselves. Now, what I recommend if you are going to do this method, find a way to differentiate yourself from other people. Now, most people are just going to put together 1,000 prompts and then that's it. Maybe what you could do is you could put together an ebook helping them try different niches. Maybe create 1,000 ChatGPT prompts for a small business owner and then give them a small business guide or something along those lines. You could try being a ChatGPT prompt creator for a jewelry store or someone that's selling jewelry stuff online and teach them how to create content, teach them how to write an Etsy listing. And I think that would be beneficial, but this absolutely does work. I have sold a few ChatGPT prompts on Etsy myself. So this definitely works, and it's something that I am currently doing right now. The next one we will take a look at is I tried it. This made me $37,000 Etsy and Midjourney digital products. Now, I'm actually going to wrap two of these into one. Marcus Campbell here, the affiliate marketing dude, he actually had a tattoo. I think this one's about tattoo designs that you build and create over on Midjourney, and then you sell them on Etsy. He also had one with emojis, and both of these actually work. And what you do is you go over to Midjourney or AI tool and you type in the prompt. For example, the prompt that I typed in would be imagine samurai tattoo design on a white background. And then what happens is Midjourney will give you 4 different variations. I'll take those 4 variations and then I'll upload them over on Etsy. And one of the biggest benefits of these types of videos is that you can get free listings from Etsy. And so you can actually start out for free if you're brand new to Etsy with 40 free listings. I'll also put that in the description. But with this one, it was tattoo designs. And the other one, I don't think I have it listed, is actually with emojis. So both of those do work. I have earned sales from both of them. So definitely check that out if you want to get up and running selling digital products over on Etsy. I use a combination of Ahrefs, Midjourney, and Canva in order to create and sell these digital products. The next one that I have on my list is I tried it, earn your first $100 with affiliate marketing in 24 hours, a new method. So with this one, Spencer Meacham, Builderpreneur, what he does is he actually will find high traffic, low CPC, cost per click keywords over on Ahrefs, and then he turns around and runs ads to a web page that he builds using Google Ads. So in this process, what you're going to do is go over to Ahrefs, and again, I'll link all of these in the description, and you're going to look for keywords that are getting a ton of traffic over on Google. So high 1,000, 5,000, potentially even 10,000 searches per month. Then you're going to look at the cost per click, or CPC. That's how much advertisers are willing to spend on that keyword, or keywords plural. And then you're simply going to create Google Ads. The Google ad is going to go directly to that web page, and then you are going to just put in very little information, and you're going to get them to click on your affiliate link. Now in this video, I actually used Amazon, and again, it worked. I think it took me a little more than 24 hours, but it worked out very well. Now, one of the keys to getting this to work is you want to use best X for Y, because people that are usually looking for best X for Y or best X under Y is they are motivated and ready to buy. They just want to make sure that it fits their needs and their budget. But this one absolutely works. So go ahead and watch that video to figure out how to do that process step by step. And again, all of the videos will be linked below. The next one we want to talk about is this one from the affiliate marketing dude. I tried it. This side hustle and free app equals $700 per day. Start today, full tutorial. Now with this one, you actually will create a single web page, and you are going to put images and links to different affiliate products on this one page. It doesn't have any text. It doesn't have anything else, just this information. Now, what I did is I ran traffic. I used paid ads because I wanted to test this quickly. What you can do is you can do this for free with organic content. Maybe you create a YouTube video about hiking or the best hiking, camping shoes for beginners. You send them to this web page. They click on your affiliate links and they buy, and you earn a commission. Now, again, this one does work. It worked quicker for me because it was I used Google Ads to do it. But you can actually do this for free if you wanted to. So the most important thing that I want you to take from this is that there are tons of opportunities that do work out in 2023. The opportunities that I mentioned most of them are paid. You can do variations of these for free. However, free is going to take a little bit more time. Paid marketing, you get results quicker. However, you're going to spend money. If you wanted to go the free route, which you totally can, it's going to take you a little bit more time. However, you will make money on the back end. But each of these methods you could do for free. For example, with this side hustle and free app, you simply would create content, whether it's a TikTok account, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, whatever it is, on the front end to create content. Then you send all of that traffic to your website that you've created, and then they click on your different buttons and images. And then that's how you would make money with affiliate marketing. But I do want to say that out of the 53 that I've tried, there have been, I want to say maybe 10 that have worked at different levels and different variations. Once again, thanks so much, guys, for watching these videos. And comment down below if there are different ones that you want me to try. I'd be happy to test out more. But I wanted to make a quick video just letting you guys know of the top 5 or 6 that actually work. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.